Here comes the field for tonight's sixth race, Ohio State Fair Stakes for two-year-old trotting fillies, third division. One is Classic Message, owned by Shakiri Patel. Jay Cross drives. 2, American Dance, owned by Robert Cole with Joe Adamski. 3 is Sand Dream, owned by Bill Sanders, reinsman Del S. Miller. 4, Camarada Winner, owned by Joe Carrazzo, driven by Jerry Ross Jr. 5, Dots and Dashes, owned by Deidre Houghton, Jerry Shapiro, Robert Simmons, and Earl Shaw with Dave Hawk in the bike. 6, Rachel's Rival, owned by Bolyard Farm of Indiana with David Miller. Number 7, Anna Catherine, owned by Flowing Mineral Farm with Charlie Myrick. And number 8, WCS Ms. Ruffles, owned by Bill White's White Creek Stables. David Myers will be in the sulky. There is 5 minutes till post time. Field is now in motion. And there they go. They're off and trotting. Have a couple breakers in here. The 5, Dots and Dashes, was off stride. 3, Sand Dream away slow. Slow as the 1, Classic Message. As they move down the back stretch to the turn with a rush on the outside, Rachel's Rival now gets the lead. Followed by American Dance in second. Camarada a winner in third. WCS Ms. Ruffles looking for a seat in 4, sliding through Anna Catherine. Here comes Classic Message as they trot to the quarter-mile pole, still off stride. Dots and Dashes and Sand Dream and a sparkling 28 and 4/5. Pretty well spaced out in here as they trot to the half-mile pole. Rachel's Rival leads the way. American Dance follows in to be a closer second. After that, Camarada a winner third. Anna Catherine fourth. WCS Miss Revels in fifth. Comes to the outside after a short spell. Along the rail, Classic Message, who had a slow start, has fought her way valiantly back into it. As they move to the half-mile pole, off stride again, Dots and Dashes, and the trailer is still Sand Dream. They're at the half in 1:01. Second quarter breather for the 2-1 second choice, Rachel's Rival. She has the lead by about 2. American Dance in second. Camarada winner third by a head. Here's the 8 up on the outside, WCS Ms. Ruffles. She's gaining nicely as she rapidly moves into contention. Classic Message on the move to 5th. Anna Catherine is 6th as they race to 3/4. Rachel's Rival has the lead by a widening 3 and 1:32 and 1. Trotting around the far turn. Rachel's Rival on top. American Dance in second. WCS Miss Ruffles a tired third. Driving up on the outside, Camarada a winner fourth. Anna Catherine is off stride. Racing through the final 16th under a double purple Baby Nelson. It's all Rachel's Rival. She leads by a good margin. American Dance in second. Camarada a winner will be third in 2:01 and 4. Result of tonight's sixth race is now official. Here comes Rachel's Rival. 2-year-old brown filly by Striking Sabra out of Money, over the Bolyard Farm of Indiana. Trained by Jeff Bolyard, driven tonight wire to wire by David Miller to cover the mile here in a lifetime best 2:01 and 4. Number 6, Rachel's Rival, the winner of tonight's sixth race. The David Miller pick 3, $34.20. The David Miller pick 3 as he won all 3 legs. $34.20, the exacta $19.40, and the try $131.80. Windows are now up and on tonight's 7th race. In this race, scratch number 2, Buckeye Cy Lame. Scratch 2, Buckeye Cy Lame. Post time in 12 minutes at 9:26.